It's a stable market, but a stable market offers opportunities, and if you add to that the demand from tenants, for instance, to renew buildings, to renew the potential of the market, to renew the leases that currently exist, green leases for instance, make it more sustainable, grade up of buildings, that's where the opportunities are. Tenants today are seeking for prime locations, are seeking for top space to make sure that their employees have the best workspace they can have. Well, that's where the opportunities are. We do have a large volume of properties in this market that have a long lifespan. It takes now a little bit of courage, a little bit of investment to try to change those into modern, new and good office facilities. I've been in this market with foreign colleagues and they've been a little bit disappointed on the quality of some of those assets. On the other hand, they've also been surprised by some of the really good assets. And that's where this market needs to shift, but a bit more to the upper level. There's on the other hand logistics. I think good opportunities to be found. It's a market in full progress. The retail logistics combination is getting much more active. It's a big topic. Market in Belgium has been a little bit too static. Legislation has run behind on the trends, as quite often, whereas the Dutch market in that perspective has been much more proactive. They've been able to move much further, much quicker on the value chain in logistics than the Belgians. We've just recently changed legislation. Dutch have been much more upfront of that. I think a bit of the difference between the two markets is the Dutch tend to, if they're in a storm, if they're hit by a storm, they then tend to change their market, work on it. They build walls, they build protection to the storm, they clean up their balance sheet. Belgium has been a little bit slow on that. We haven't seen the storm that hard. It is there. Some of them have stayed low key, not too much movement. I think that's wrong. You need to use those things to change your market, to make it much more attractive. And I think that's kicking in now. A lot of those real estate players in the market are seeing that, and you will see much more activity at that level.